Oh, I didn't even... I'll say hello, hello. Yeah, I kind of figure everybody's... It's a late night thing. Okay. And I'm late because I didn't even get to finish eating hardly. Going all the way to work and back just sucks when it's an hour long. When it's 2 hours out of my day. Headgummit. There we go. You guys gotta fight for first. Okay, let's turn on the volume because that's like too much. There we go. Oh, and then yes, it definitely needs to be down on here too. There we go. Okay. I was doing screenshots for this. Did I have any? I doubt it. So, does this even run? I think I might have broke it. I haven't messed with this in months. Yes, I did break this. Was that upping the... Yeah, okay. Okay, the shader is completely borked, it looks like. Also, I kind of want to just listen to the new song on repeat, which I might just do. Because I'm a crazy person. Okay. So let's just get rid of the shader now if it's broken. I tried fixing it a couple times, but if it... Well, I think it's exclamation point except to, yeah. Acceptable. For being first. I mean, I will say that on my end, this, red, was first. Yeah, because I'm not going to try to pronounce that whole name. What do? The shaders on here. Do I remember how to use Unity at all? It's been so long. Yeah, that's still the... I guess... I think the character looks fine. Probably not good, but... I still even get to edit the last stream just to see. Choose BFF. No, I love all of my children equally. Okay, how about I love all of my fans equally? There we go. I'm gonna try not to show favoritism. The shader. I was getting rid of the shader. It's gonna take me a little while to get zoned in here. And figure out what in the heck I'm doing. Who was the early follower? As in, like, from when? Canvas. Is that where the shader is? I don't remember how I did anything. Or is it just shadow? Outline shadow. There we go. Yeah, this is done borked, so don't use it. Now let's try this. It's nice when it has the edge on it, though. Hello, hello. It's busy today. Okay. These are supposed to have some kind of... They're not supposed to be... The icons are not supposed to be white, because then it's supposed to pop up like that. Okay, I need to fix the... So you are supposed to have some kind of cover on top of everything. Yeah, Oh, well, it doesn't exist. Why is that sprite? How did I break everything? Well, and this is not even to mention the... There should be a shadow? Because there's stuff that I was trying to port over from my laptop that I don't think I messed with. But yeah, hello everybody. I'm going back to this game after many months. I'm very excited to be working on it, because there's a few different things for funding there. But I'm doing good. I'm... like I said, I wanted to complain about commuting, because it's an hour to and from work, but at least it's only once or twice a week. Oh, that's a lighter edge on this too. Okay, so this has not been updated at all. So I think I moved over the stuff from my laptop somewhere, right? Or did I? Did I even move over the stuff from my laptop? I might not have even moved it over. Okay, I was... getting this unlocked into doing nothing. Okay, I was figuring out where in the heck my info for my... Okay, so it was here, and then here, and then here. Okay, that's just the builds. The assets is what I needed to pull over. So this, and download it. Oh, wait. I saw something that was labeled assets. So... I was gonna say, are we being mean here? I turn away it. Oh, the bomb? Is that what we're... That's yeah, I was like, that's a command in stream avatars. I don't know that was meant as a, At least, I know somebody in chat uses it as a greeting for me. I don't know if it's the best greeting, but... But, bye. I don't think it was meant as a mean action there, but... I could see how, like, could be construed there, but... Yeah, it's like, feel free to hug it out. We need the basketball game right now? I wanted to attempt to think about getting something done. That was that. Well, basketball game takes a little while. I think there was commands for making it be a little shorter, but... Have exams in a few hours and need to sleep? You should just do that now. Honestly. You don't have to stay up and play basketball. You're gonna get the, I'm gonna bring out the old man in me, which... I am old, so... Okay, I did have this downloaded already. So... Man, sleep. I'll be around other days. You could bug me about basketball then. You only got exams the one time for that semester, so... Oh, took a nap and not tired? Basketball takes a while. I think even on the... Like, even if I do quick points, I think it takes a while. I gotta... Okay, you're making me think I gotta remember how to do the, Took the German exam. Oh, you're gonna pass it anyways. Okay. 10 minutes? I was gonna say, there's a command to make it short, because I'm like... Yeah, there we go. Which I need to put that at the bottom of my Twitch page. I'm like, yeah, that's a good idea, to just put all the commands at the bottom of the Twitch page. Because I think I just have a link, but I'm like, there's only a certain number of these that are actually... Oh, it's not these commands anyway. It's the stream avatar's commands. Yeah, I need to, because there's two different things that are doing commands. I'm like, I need to... Okay, we'll just do basketball. We'll just... Which, like you said, I think it's about 10 minutes. Yeah, and I'm gonna be too distracted if I try to do it at the same time, but... Yeah, okay, points to winners, points to... Yeah, I was like, we'll just do a... I'll just have to remember that in the future. But I'm only gonna do one game of basketball. I wanted to actually work on the screenshots for this stuff. I think one game of basketball is gonna be too much. I have no clue how to shoot that. But good luck to you as well. Yeah, I was like, cause there's an edge right there. So how about 100 and like a 100 where's... Oh, I powered right through the basket. I powered right through the hoop. Can I come down inside of it? No. So you can go through the hoop, I guess, if you go fast enough. That's a good one. That's a good guess. Okay, how about a 120 and then like an 80? And it's really jamming in through there. Nope, too much. Okay. 120 and like a... I think I need to change the angle, but... Now you did squeeze in over top of it, dang. That was an interesting hoop. So now 165 and a 70. Okay, 165 and a 85. Okay, 165 and a 76. You got denied. You got completely denied there. I don't even remember what I was doing. Something like that. Oh, no. Oh, I guess I should try doing the same shot multiple times. See if the physics is the same. Oh, I got it! I was not expecting that. I was going slow on that one. You did too much, I did too little. Oh, that was a lot closer on yours. Was it more or less? Yeah, okay, it was more. Yeah. It's too hard for me to look at where the ball's going and see if I need to adjust the numbers up or down compared to the other person's numbers. Okay, we're gonna just do the... Okay, we both overshot that time instead of switching around. So about... Oh, I gotta remember to do threes. That helped me last time. So 43, 57. It's not a 3. Oh, we're both narrowing in. Nah. Oh, another one of these awkward rebound ones. Well, can I go the opposite direction with like maximum power? Is the question. So if I do like a 110. And like a... Can I bounce it off the other wall, or is there not enough? Wow, that was... I don't know what I was thinking there. Okay, so I have a 130, and then a 100. Can I bounce it off the other wall, or is that not a thing? Probably not really a thing. Oh! That was closer than I thought. That's probably way too weak. If you just... He's stealing off of my dumb answer. This was not a good answer. You should not be going off of what I'm doing. Okay, that's way too weak. Okay, wait, that was a 97, went right off the rim. 96 was too weak. But I don't know if you did 98 already, though. Ah! You had to show me up with my own... No, I needed to be... Yeah, I was way off. Maybe? Hey, nothing but net. It's comeback time, baby. It's time to get wrecked, son. Wow, tons of these just under the basket ones. Like, what is up with the thing? Okay, so 130, 100 again. It almost worked last time. No. Yeah. Oh, that's not bad. So let's do the 77. It is comeback time. That's right. Be afraid. I'm getting better at the rebounds. That's another one. It's doing similar goals here. So I'm gonna 170 and like a 99. I was gonna say 95 and then no. Ah, shoot. Yeah, okay, so this doesn't go to 5. I'm like, 5 points is good enough for me, but it wants to do a full, like, how you actually do basketball, probably. Let's see, what else what am I... Oh! I almost got it first try. So... Ah! I went too late! I did too little as opposed to... Okay, 69. Nice. Oh! Bugger off. You keep stealing all my hard work. I'm in the way again. Oh, I didn't even get a chance to think about it. I had to move myself out of the way. Oh, okay, so it does. Oh, it's first it's 10 points, I suppose. Okay. Well, that was the game. I wanted to get something done. Which was move assets over so that I can actually get this running. Okay, so that's the assets folder. I don't think I want to copy over everything. Just everything in this folder. And then the game. Oh, congrats on your basketball win. Have fun gambling it all away. It's like it feels just slightly loud, but I can't make it any lower. Here, and then we copy everything from here to here. May or may not be a good idea. Okay, so what have I been up to recently? What did I do this weekend? I watched... Yeah. I watched Mad Max? No. I watched Mad Max 2 and I watched Mad Max 3. Mad Max 2, The Road Warrior, is still great. And I actually finished Mad Max 3, because the first time I watched it, I had gotten only part of the way through it. Because I was exhausted from skiing, so I didn't watch the full thing. And I was tuning out at the same part of the movie. There's kind of an interlude in the middle of the movie that bored me again on a rewatch. But I stayed awake this time, and I was like, okay, this ending is actually pretty action-packed, even if the middle I have no clue what's going on. Or why. And then I get to watch Mad Max Fury Road again. All in preparation for Furiosa. I am excited. I love Mad Max Fury Road. That is my favorite movie. I suppose you have red in your name. I can see why you would want to put it all on red. As you can tell by some of the background colors in here. I like black. Okay, so now if I hit go, what does it do? Because now it should be borked. Oh, don't put it all in red and don't put it all on black. But you should put everything into slots. Maybe a half and half. Okay, so... Because I don't think that actually does anything. I think that that doesn't work. Okay, and then there's the... Okay, so shader is broken. Good to know. But the shadow is there. Or maybe the lighting is broken? Because the particle effects were also goofed. Yeah, okay, so that's the fighter. They're both in fighter mode. I need them to be in ranger mode. Combat. You gambled it all away, as expected. Okay. So, because what I could also do, I know right now the... Oh, it's a level tile map as opposed to... So, if I eraser whoever that is... Oh, look at the roulette wheel. I'm actually paying attention to it. I didn't see what he landed. Oh, black. I mean, if you like roulette, there's a Bingle Bangle, the roulette roguelike. Yeah, I did give in and get, whatchamacallit. Balatro. I have it now. I haven't played it, but I do have it. And then I have Animal Well, just because I saw multiple reviews say this game is just incredible. It's like the best to ever do it. So I'm like, oh, gee whiz. I guess I have to play it now. No gold. All gone. You need some kind of like small income source instead of like a full-on game of basketball. Then which I know there's like channel points at some point, but that's only if you have enough And I don't know if the channel points ties into stream elements or not. Okay, so eraser. This one, there we go. It's just looking funky to me. So you erase. There we go. I'm gonna punch a hole in the wall here and here, and then just extend the ground a ton. Duels give gold? No, I think you need something solo to get gold. Like, I think if you had slots and actually had money, you could do it, but I don't actually know. Okay, so if it's because it's stream avatars commands, which I guess I could just look up that and see if there is like a okay, wait, go back to this. I have all these links here as like a maybe I should sign up for this, and then it's probably too late to sign up for it, but maybe one day I'll think about it. So stream Evita commands. There we go. Yeah, currency commands. You just gotta see if there's a give me money. There, currency. Give user amount. Just give yourself a bunch of currency. I kind of doubt it. I think you need to be an admin, but I mean, you're just gonna gamble it all away, but I was like, I'm gonna just copy this. Boo. You only have 1 gold? Is that what it's saying? Then you're gonna stay here and not sleep for your exams. Oh. Okay, it's giving me it's giving you my money. Is what it's trying to do. It said you only had the 1 gold, and I was like, well, I could get you the... It doesn't look like it has a give all, does it? I guess if I have... Oh yeah, you have the jump catch game. You can pull some off of the jump catch game. There you go, kid. There's too much money for you now. Well, and kid is a grandma-ism. It's like I call everybody kid because that's what my grandma used to say. It's like, don't hurt yourself, kid. Okay, there's a fill, right? Yes. This squeeps me. You're gonna make me proud by gambling. I doubt it. That's not... Aha, there we go. I'm not much of a gambler myself. Which is... like, if I wanted to get into games, gambling is the way to go. That's where money is, for sure. There's casino games and stuff that, Okay, so if I just make this, like, real big... Because that was the thing, was that people playing the demo, it would spawn the enemies just way off screen. I mean, it's really just a matter of... I should probably put the enemies on screen. But... Ah, come on! Mouse! And then immediately lost it all. It was your allowance. And you spent it all on a single roll. There are other numbers, you know. You don't have to do double or nothing. I don't actually know what any of the other, I don't know, other common gambling amounts. But I know there's more than just double or nothing. Okay, this is just kind of silly and unnecessary. Again, this is to fix the demo, and it's like, that's not what I'm focused on right now. I'm making pretty screenshots. Is the goal. So that I can actually pitch the game. Bet on black next time. No, you gotta just stick with the one answer. That's what I do for if it's a completely random thing, I just stick with the same answer and hope that it rolls that. Because it's completely random anyway. Because 32 numbers, and that's kind of like a 50-50. And you do a coin flip. I liked your idea of using a... yeah, the 8-ball. Use the 8-ball to see if you can... The proper... maybe not proper, but a way to gamble all your money away. Okay, but now this... So the real thing was the combat manager is spawning just a character. So the character is the thing that's having... So character, you were supposed to be a... So what are you doing? Because you were supposed to be shooting projectiles, not punching. It is decidedly so. Yeah, I'll give you more allowance. At some point. Not today. You used up today's allowance. This is a try again tomorrow answer. Which will be hard, because I doubt I'll be streaming tomorrow. It's incentive to come back. You'll get allowance when you come back. It's nearly 1 a.m. Yeah, you, like I said, you should do that, especially with exams. Okay, it should be on Rangers, the thing. Be right back. I meant that as a... Not on your time frame, my time frame. I said come back tomorrow, not just come back immediately. I left. What is he doing again? That is clever, though. I'll give you that. You might get more money in your allowance, but you gotta wait for tomorrow, or the next day, or the next day, or the next day, or the next day. Phone call for you, Mr. Plankton. And the next day, and the next day, and the next day. Why don't I have infinite money? I don't know. I don't know if it, I would assume that there's a way I can just give myself more money. Most likely I can do that, but I'll have to see. So if I... Yeah, okay, so then if I just spam that in the chat... Whoops. Oh no! That's your allowance! I copy-pasted the wrong thing! You saw nothing. You don't have money, I lied. That's tomorrow's money. No! I could remove the currency, but that was my goof. There we go. I was just trying to give myself more money. Immediately, with the bet to lose it all. Yeah, okay, so now if I say how much currency do I have? Because I don't want to type. I'm like, I could just copy paste it faster then. Let's see if you get to keep your money or not. Did bet on black work? It is. It's black. Bet on black worked. I don't think it gave me 999. I don't know. 3 times in a row on black. I mean, it is completely random. It's going to be... Don't read into the pattern. There's no pattern there. Rigged. Oh no, it's gonna turn into Doug Jug's chat. Everything is rigged. I didn't make stream avatars though. Maybe check your gold, then give yourself money? Okay, well I just checked it. So... Okay, so if I go back to... Also, hello, hello. There, so give me... Okay, so I'm at 28,000. Okay, let's do a much bigger amount. Okay, only... so I can't give gold to myself, so it was not giving me anything. I mean, I guess I'm not doubling the gold. It's not magically giving me more gold. So then how do I get money? Because then I'm going to run out of money. So I guess technically I was giving myself that money, but I already had that money, so... Oh, I'm all out of water now, too. Okay, no, that I have to go fix. So... After kidney stone problems, I'm like, I have to hydrate. It's no question. I'll just... Yeah, well... Quick break for me to grab water. Okay. Yeah, just print money. But, there we go. 6 hours of sleep is enough? It depends. For me, it's gotta be more like 8 or 9 hours of sleep for me to feel good. And something like 4 hours I can do okay with, but 6 hours is the, like... I feel terrible. That just hits right in the middle of a sleep cycle. And I'm just dead. Okay, so character class here. You should be defaulting to the ranger class, ideally. Wake up tired anyways, so 6 hours should be enough. You gotta look at your sleeping situation. Like I said, I sleep like a vampire. I get like the darkest. I make my room very dark. I have like blackout curtains, and then I have a bed in the middle of the room with a weighted blanket, and then I sleep on my back. funny. I'm like, I'm not a night person, but I do sleep like a vampire. I just sleep during the day. Or I sleep during the night instead of the day. Yeah, I was just thinking that. I'm like, I should just get a coffin, then I don't have to worry about blackout curtains or anything. Seems a little scary, but then again, I felt nice and comfy cozy in a sleeping bag when camping, so... I really just use the bedroom for sleeping, though. I guess I do have my workout stuff in there, which I haven't done that in a long time. I need to get back into working out, but after this kidney stone problem, it was like... And I think working out is what caused it, is that I just didn't drink enough water. I worked out a ton, didn't drink enough water, and I think that's what caused the kidney stones. Couldn't sleep in a coffin, too scary, too tight. I don't know if I could sleep in a coffin. Like, if I had a way out... Like I said, because I enjoyed sleeping in a sleeping bag, so... It'd be a fun experiment. I haven't tried those sleep deprivation tanks. I don't know if that... There we go. I feel like I'm just kind of far back there. Couldn't really turn around while sleeping? You mean roll over? Are you trying to roll away or just like death roll? Because I feel like you could death roll. You could do a crocodile or a alligator death roll fairly easily. But if you're trying to like... Yeah, I also don't do the like flail my arms out in a whole bunch of different ways. I keep to myself. Yeah, it's like camping. It would be my sister and I next to each other. And she would have 3/4 of the space, and I would have 1/4. Because she would just have a bunch of junk, and she would sleep splayed out. And I was just kind of squished into a corner. It was kind of the same with a roommate in college. I had a small twin bed and a nightstand in the corner of the room, and then they had the other half of the room. Yeah, because I also had the hallway, or the kind of the walkway to get over into the bathroom. Well, they had just kind of that corner that they had a bunch of space anyway. Okay. I was just doing this. Yeah, okay, the character class is equal to... the character class dot ranger. There we go. Get at the proper default there. Bye, good night. Have fun sleeping. Good luck on your tests and or exams. Yeah, I get too stressed about exams to stay up late at night. It always sucked getting exams at the end of the year, right when I had my birthday, too. Ah, I did it! Yeah, it's not really what I was looking for. It's a math! Yeah, you gotta sleep for that. I like math. I'm not bad at it, but... Math finals tend to be stressful. They tend to throw a lot at you. I've found. Then again, like an English final is never a strong suit of mine either. So back to... Okay, actually, I was just learning that there is a... Is it project setting? There's somewhere in here, I thought. It's here, maybe? Yeah, it's all package stuff. Scene template. Because there is a I thought there was one that was run, not the current scene, but run the starter scene. This doesn't feel like it. Because I don't really want to jump back to the other scene. Just to, test the thing. But I will. I don't know why that was exploding. I probably should have looked at why that was exploding, but this will also probably say that if it explodes. It will explode. Okay, so I want to select... Okay, I want to hide those. And then when you select any... Okay, so the menu for that... Because I don't want to hide it entirely, because I want to tease it in the demo. So here, it's not hidden. I want it to be... Oh, I just disabled the button. So, say interactable, no. Might be able to slap some text on top of it, too. Okay. As much... Oh, wait. Now I can do software and game development. Guess that's really what I'm doing. Hey, there we go. Okay. I think I kind of want to slap some text on here that says coming soon. Which I could just, instead of saying, whatever, yeah, select. Just coming soon. Because then that'll work for a demo. Which, yeah, that'll all be the end of the month. Because I know it's next... Start of next month is when all the game meetups will happen again. Oh, so I could either make the character bigger or... Yeah, okay, there we go. Coming soon, coming soon. So just select Ranger. Actually, that kind of needs a extra background bit. So give me a panel. It's within the canvas anyway, so... UI panel. And then I suppose here, then? There we go. And then black, and then... I thought I was gonna do... I wanted to take up the whole screen there. It's not what I was expecting. Okay, so how about just 1,000? So how about negative 1,000? Why is it flipped inside out? Why is it red? Seems like it's just not doing the thing. Okay, so how about just multiply the size of it? Yeah, okay, there we go. That's a bit excessive, but... Okay, there we go. So now that'll be on top of... So now you have to select a class. Oh, I guess it's fine to go across. I was thinking that I was going to do that more as like a smaller menu, but actually just straight across the whole thing is fine. Should probably disable the zoom as well. Okay, so then you have to select Ranger. And then you can drop these on there. I need to fix the whatchamacallit. There we go, and now they're back to shooting each other. Okay, good. So now I need to figure out why in the heck the thing looks off. Well, I do want that menu to pop up, so that can stay there, I guess. Yeah, because it's only when I hit play that I need to... Yeah, connection, there we go. So you are looking off for some reason. Well, it was the particle effect, I think, was also pink, unfortunately. Okay, select that. I'm gonna do this. Yeah, it's also pink. Which to me says it's... Just hit pause, duh. Okay, I don't need to pause the whatchamacallit. I can just pause this. And then look at the... Can I select it? Or is that just selecting the UI element? That's just selecting the UI element, isn't it? Okay, so that's the first one. Meaning it's probably one of these last ones? Yes, it is the last one. Sweet. So, are you the one that has the connection? Connection. Aha, you do. So why is he goofed? Did my standard then? Aha, okay, there we go. So why'd you do that though? So that just means connection, standard. Oh, you switched to standard, okay. And then that's the background scale, that's the start menu. And then okay, I like the music. It's just loud. Okay, the particles. Yeah, you can switch back to the default shader. No, not edit the shader. I mean, yeah, edit the shader because it seems to be goofed, but I don't know how to fix that. Or just switch out the shader. That's the color. Renderer, there we go. Yeah, okay, material with sprites. Just do this. I guess sprites default? This should fix it. Play. Yeah, okay, there we go. Okay, the screenshots that I wanted to do. Okay, that's that. Yeah, I didn't really want to show all of my Google Drive on there. Not that it really matters, but... There we go. So now this. I think this is the one where I had written out the trailer. It needs a promo picture, a title card. And then I kind of wanted to do a skill tree scene, combat scene. It needs a victory scene. Yeah, and I have character customization, but not in this build. So... So yeah, that's the skill tree scene, combat scene. I guess technically there's... Well, this is kind of you go until you lose, but... Just the gallery, the class selection. That's why I made it. Because I wanted to give the idea of there's more stuff coming, but it's not in just yet. Yeah, because some of it was looking at talented. And not itch.io, but the Steam version. Okay, so yeah, there's the combat scene, the skill tree scene. Yeah, and some of it's an expansion on the skill tree scene. Here is... Yeah, here's the class selection. And I don't have this kind of overarching meta progression. I don't know if I would want to mess with that or not, but so it's just more combat scenes. I don't know that I would really want to mess with a... Okay, so as much as that's helpful, I did want... I wanted the Steam version, ya goof. Steam. I was like, I know it's on Steam. It's an early access on Steam, I believe. Yes. And it's the same screenshots, it looks like. Okay, confirmation that that is the same screenshots. This meta progression layer is probably... Oh, it's the gallery. If I do the gallery, that's kind of the meta progression layer for now. There we go. Okay, and I have the gallery. Oh, and that's, yeah, a stat screen would be nice, but that's not. Okay, that's... So a starter skill tree scene. And then an advanced skill tree scene. Because I believe talented is something similar. There's combat. There's a skill tree. Not really. Okay, and then for demo purposes. It's like, no, I'm not doing the demo right now. But I know for demo purposes, I wanted to have a... Did what now? A pop-up for... the... So for the skill tree scene, when you click on the start combat button, because I noticed people press this before putting skill points in. So... Okay, that's really just a note that I need to make somewhere. Probably not here. Probably more like here. Or here. Maybe not there. Okay, yeah. I want to work on this page here. Because that's the first part, is it needs to be on that game page. Then I can worry about the rest of these things. But yeah, this is why I'm looking at... That's why I'm looking for funding for this, is because I'm like, it's a micro game made by a micro studio, which is just me, that has 6 to 12 months of production. Like, I wanted to get this out before the end of the year, so that's 6 months at most. With a PC Steam release first. That is a unique experience, mixing popular mechanics and/or genres in exciting ways. With a focus on systemic, emergent, and procedural elements, offering lots of replayability. Favoring games with a modular structure which allow expanding the game world if needed. Like, that's exactly what this is. With a clear, full game loop. Yeah, it's just reading all of this, and then, like, just messing with this, where it's like, okay, yeah, that's... This game fits all of the criteria. Oh, and then I wanted to try to do pixel art using the skills. Was also a screenshot, because I think that'd be A, fun, and B... Wow. There we go. Pixel art using the skills. I don't know why I capitalized it, but whatever. Okay, because how many colors do I have? And then if I try to do like my pixel art, no, not this big one, but the small one. Yeah, so if I grab my classic gnome here, how many of these colors do I have? If I get rid of the shading, how many colors do I need then? Obviously red for the hat, white for the... Well, it's because I have that other thing that I made. I don't know what the easiest way to do that would be either. Yeah, and I know what I want for the trailer too. It's like I have a full idea here. It's just here's all the audio, here's all the scenes that I want to do. And I have an idea of what I want the logo to look like. Not that it'll look great, but it'll be an idea of a thing. So... Might be easiest to do. Well, it's... I don't know. Like, so if I do... Let's try it, I guess. So... Can I copy this scene? I could save as. So I can do scenes, and this is... pixel art. No. Okay, so it's not gonna need actually any canvas elements, right? Okay, and I need it to not spawn anything either. So I get rid of the game manager. That got rid of the grid. Why you get rid of the grid? Okay, so then if we get rid of the skills, so that it's not doing any skills anywhere. How about that? Probably gonna still spawn a start skill though, right? Yes. Although technically I do want the start skill because okay. So then I want to do shoot. Okay, so how am I generating the start skill is the question. Well, because if I just slap a thingamabob in here, if I just drag a skill in here, that's not going to connect to anything or be... Oh, it's just under that. Okay. Right? No, that's the clone. There, this one. What skill are you? Oh, you're not anything. Okay, so it doesn't actually have a... That's really the thing, though, is that I kind of want it to be... Because I also want the points to be added into the skills. So it's basically a... Okay, but this doesn't spawn any skills, but this will have the UI for the... I think I'll need a button for hiding the UI. Oh, the UI skills. So give me a bunch of them, actually. It's like... Yeah, give me a whole bunch. But it's really that once I remove one of them, it should add another. And at that point, it should be whatever one that it removed. Add another of that type. I think these should also... I'm thinking, like, with Slay the Spire, when you remove one of these, does it Yeah, it does. Yeah, obviously it does. So, not super necessary for screenshots, but another one of those nice demo things is that once a skill is removed... Okay, I think I'm gonna take a quick restroom break. Okay. Yeah, because if I mess with the zoom, yeah, VTube Studio, then the hat's already trying to clip off the thing anyway, so. Why do I keep moving tangled here? Pain in the butt. I got a new desk chair mat. It makes it too easy to roll around, apparently. Right over the headphone cord. Maybe it's just to move it down a little bit. Something like that. Okay. Ah. There's gonna be... That's actually important, because I also saw that in the demo where people would just not play skills. And then... So I actually do have... It doesn't do sliding audio, does it? So when I hit go... Because it should animate it too, which I don't have. Yeah, okay, it's not. Well, and then it's if I hit start. The heck was that? Why was the first bullet fast? What? Yeah, now it just spawns it on top of. Oh, so this is not actually doing a list of skills? That's kind of important. No, it's not actually. Okay, wait. Audio source dot clip sliding. One of the sliding and then play the clip. Oh, so if I look at the sliding audio. Is it in here? I would assume it was in here. Here. No, wait. Game manager? Oh no, there is 6 tile slides. Is it playing the audio before it's even... Oh, because it should be pausing. And it should be animating its position too. Okay, but first I need to just throw these all in a list. To this bench skill list. Which I'm surprised I did not have a list for the bench skills, but... Skills. That's the full skill list. So this is bench skills. That's, yeah, list of game objects, and these are like, game objects, so bench skills, dot, add, and clone. Okay, so then this should be... So add a so add skill to bench, and then this is... not reset, but not shuffle, but reposition. So reposition bench skills. Okay, and this is a for each game object bench skill. I'm gonna make sure that's not running into other. Okay, then its position basically is that. So spawn position is just not necessary anymore, but until I get this working, we're gonna keep it. Because they're gonna spawn in. And it's not after it adds skill to bench, it's once it's finished. Oh, add skills. Because this is all the skills, it's the number of skills to add. And then it's once they're all added, then it's reposition the bench skills. Okay, let's look at that second error later. Let's just do a count then. So yeah, there we go. Ta-da. Okay, so then it's when you add all the skills to the bench, wherever this is happening. Oh, skills. Oh, that shit. Okay, so that's adding everything there, and then if I do, removal is still an issue because it's not being removed, but just out of curiosity, so instead of 10, let's just do 3 and then run. Okay, so I should be able to do something like what's your issue? I guess either or. Just somewhere around here, bench skills needs to get set, so, right? Yeah, okay, here. And this is bench skills. There we go. So now it's properly initialized as an empty game object. So actually, instead of 0, 0, 0, if it's going into that corner there, because what I really want is off to this corner and then slides into the... Probably just because I've been playing Slay the Spire, but... You guys didn't reposition at all. You goof. So it's when it adds all the skills, it should add skills to bench, reposition skills. And then for each of them, the spawn position, which isn't being used for anything, gets set. So then the part that I forgot here is that the position is equal to spawn position. There we go. So then it's actually being used. Okay, let's see if that fixes it. Yeah, I'm like, what does stuff like Mahjong and stuff do? So a little off, but... so a little off. And there's... The bench has... There. Aha! Okay, cool. Y'all are, not positioned correctly. They're not centered correctly, but... Oh, and that skill was not getting removed. So it was saying that there was 6 of them, essentially. Okay, so then here, when it spawns the skill, it should be pulling off the bench skills or something, right? Or get a skill at position, world space, or is that the background skill? Or am I mixing these up? UI skill, yeah, okay. Spawn skill, game manager dot spawn skill of skill type. Okay, so then... So now game manager. Well, yeah, no. Let's just follow this. Well, because it's specifically here. This is from the bench. These are just spawning them on the board. Which is why... Yeah. False, false, true. This is the only one that's true. Because these are the ones... Okay, so then this is the only one that needs to do the... bench skills dot remove whatever this skill is. does not return anything. I mean, it can return it. There's nothing that uses it except this, but... well, if it doesn't need to return it, then... if it's just supposed to spawn the skill, it should not... yeah, but I kind of want it to... I don't know. This is one of those things of like, I don't know what I need until I need it, so then it's hard for me to... run. Yep. Return. Clone. And here, just remove. That just, I don't know, that just feels off. Well, I can... it's because I didn't want to throw this inside of this, so it's one of those, like, I could just do it. Oh, but that doesn't exist inside of the bench skills. I guess... shoot. Maybe it's not a skill type, then? It's a... okay, so then I don't need to do any of that. Because it's not a specific skill right now. It's just a skill type. So really what it's trying to do is just say remove a skill that is of that type. Not a specific skill. That might get important down the line though, unfortunately. So... oh boy. It's not even 8 o'clock. Okay. It's because this is an object. And all I have is a skill type. Yeah, that's a game object specifically. I mean, I could do a... so, while... this seems bad, but... I just want something, and then I can go back and fix it. And I say that, and I've never ever gone back and fixed anything, but one day. Because one day has rolled around before. Seems it's just okay, like I said, it'll be something for now. Okay, so then go through the not bound, the bench. So bench skills. Yeah, so then it's go through each of the bench skills, and they're all just game objects, though. They're not skills, right? Yeah, they're straight up just game objects. So it's like, I just made this... UI skill. There, UI skill. And then this, get type. There we go. And then if it equals the skill type, there we go. So for each of them, if the UI skill equals this skill type, that's not get skill type done. No. Okay, so what is it? Skill? Okay, to get skill. I don't have to get skill either. Okay. So now what I actually need. Did I have a spot for getters and setters? I don't remember how I was putting them. Get tooltip, set tooltip, spawn skill on pointer, whatever. Somewhere right here. It's a get. It needs to return something. Skill. Yeah, skill. And then return the skill. Doesn't need a setter right now. Yeah, I'm gonna do it anyway, just in case. Okay, there we go. There's a getter and setter for the skills. Now over here, I can just do get skill. And then I can do this object type. Get skill type, right? I was calling it skill type. Skill.skill type. So then there should be a get skill type, right? Because it's object. It's system.type. Do I not have a get? To this skill type. There's no getters for this? And setters for this? It's been a while since I haven't messed with this set type. But I can't, yeah, it's not a get type. I have a set type, but not a get type. Okay. Yeah, this is, you know, it very much is. Every time you do code, like, what in the heck was this idiot doing? I know him. He's me. So it's, yeah, because this should be get skill type. Because type is a specific thing in here. And then return the skill type. There, so then in here, when I do get the skill and then get the skill type. There, this is all just to make sure that the bench is getting rid of the correct skill, and then this needs to be get skill type. There we go, gee whiz. Gee whizzicles. So now hopefully the bench will remove a skill of that skill type. And then I need to figure out why they're not positioning in the center. Yeah, okay, so they're... Well, so if I do one of these, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Oh, well, I did this. I didn't mean to do this. Well, I kind of did mean to do this. I guess that's all I have to do is to just disable the... I guess when you click on the UI skill here... Spawn skill and then set to false. If I just get rid of the set false, I can also do what I just did. Which, if I just loop through all the different kinds of skills, then I can actually have a canvas to paint with, like I was kind of wanting. So, but that's not what I was... Well, it's because it's exploding entirely. It's just saying index is out of range. Okay, but now that I set this up, I can just do a for each then, right? It's not a for each, it's that I just want to remove that skill of that type from the bench skill. But it's saying that the bench skill has nothing in it at the point that it's spawning the skill, which might be true. Oh, wait. You should be bench skills dot count. No. It should just be 0. It just should. Okay, well, there's still more skills to search through, but that's the problem, is that it shouldn't be getting to that point. Where in the heck was I? Here. You should not be getting to that point. You should find the skill before that happens. It's kind of saying it's not finding that skill, despite the fact that it summoned it. It's like, what? Okay, so now I start combat. You didn't get removed then, did you? Because it should be, you know, out of position, but... Oh, it needs to restart. I didn't even get that far. The hell? Oh, I don't have any skill points. You didn't reposition anything. Meaning it didn't get removed. Meaning it didn't do anything. Yeah, okay, so this removal thing is not happening at all. Oh, it's not doing anything once it finds it. No, okay, so it's a remove. Or dot remove. There we go, remove. That one. So now is it gonna find anything? Wait, so if I do that? Yeah, okay, so it does get all winky. So how about now? Okay, yeah, it should be repositioning when it spawns that skill though, right? It should be repositioning now, actually. Right? Because when it spawns the skill... Oh, no, 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 it's just removing. Yeah, because this is that specific case. So then it should be doing reposition. Bench skills. Now that it's properly removed, I think. I think I just forgot to reposition it. And that's... We'll see. So reposition. So reposition. So reposition. So you didn't... So reposition is doing nothing. You should also be... Didn't I spend a while on this? Trying to get the... Yeah, number of skills times spacing divided by 2. Oh, that's not there. So then this should be... So what is the num-skills even? I guess it's 0 then? Is it... Yeah, the dangers of copy pasting. Will I never learn? Okay, let's see if that works. That looks better. That didn't reposition at all. Let's see if this repositions. It didn't remove. Yeah, like I said, so it should be removing and then repositioning. But it repositioned the new stuff. It's just not removing stuff, so it's not repositioning. So that dumb removal that I was trying to do is not doing it. Because it's just a skill type, though. It's just this UI skill is only passing the skill type. Okay, wait, what? It's just spawn skill. Oh, there, and then it does game enter spawn skill of skill type. So then here, I don't know how to remove the skill of skill type. Is it like a bench skills.find? And this is a game object, right? Can I... Did I... It's looking for a game object, so then it's looking for... Okay, so yeah, it's not finding the skills. So it's not removing it. Meaning it's saying either here, when it goes through all of them, which it should have an amount. Right? That's the first thing I can think of to check. Like, it should have something in it, right? Because it's using the bench skills. But I also have the suspicion that it's being stupid and just not having anything in it, somehow. Or somehow my returning of the skill types is not returning anything correctly, so it's not finding a skill of that kind. It's the skill types, not the... Yeah, 3. 3 and 3. You're supposed to find it and remove it. So found skill is false. And it's greater than I. I is 0. Then it goes into here for each of these. It gets the skill out of this. It gets the skill type and then compares it to this skill type. So you're saying the UI skill is not... Yeah, because it's not finding anything. That's the issue. Right? Because it's not removing anything. Yeah, okay, so it's not finding anything. What the heck is your problem? That should be... all that stuff should exist, right? It's a skill type and then a skill type, so it's comparing the two... Those are the two correct things to compare, meaning it's not finding... So what are you not finding? It's like... It's not how I should be doing. I don't know how to pass in just like the exact skill because it's... I don't know. Like I said, this is going to be clunky and bad, and then this is a first draft. I can edit it from there. And I think it would complain if this did not exist. That's the thing. Yeah, it would explode if it weren't able to get any of this stuff. So then what is the... How in the heck is it using this to spawn it? And yet when I compare them, it's like, nah, they don't exist. What do you mean? I used it to spawn this. Okay, that's not... I don't need to be that picky, but I'm going to. Yeah, no, I'm not even working on screenshots, but I'm working on this game again. That is the important thing. I keep trying to click it. The menu's not existing until I start the game. Ya goof. Skill type start. Skill. What? How is that? What? Skill. Are you this? But it... What? So, huh? They're all the start skill. How are they all the start skill? What? Skill type, projectile speed. Oh, wait. Did I get the... Okay, so this UI skill has a skill type, and then it also has a skill? The heck is this skill, then? If this is nothing, then why in the heck am I using it? Tooltip info dot set skill to skill. But that means the skill is being set to the right. Skill type. What? Tooltip set skill to skill. Get effect. It's getting the effect off of this skill. Okay, that's the stuff that I just added. It doesn't do anything. But it's not the start. They're clearly readable. Okay, so maybe don't do this skill then? Should release. Okay, let's return skill and set skill. So don't do that. 'Cause that's I'm not. Oh, it's 3 references. Oh, that's the. Yeah, okay, that's the thing that I just made. So get skill type. That's what I'm really wanting anyway. Okay, there. Be happy. Don't worry. Be happy now. Gee, flippin' whiz. Okay, so now just get rid of this get skill type. Just get the skill type. See if that does anything. Okay, because I think if I look at this, the skill type is setting this... No, the skill type... Yeah, okay, so the... skill type. There we go. Gee, flippin' whiz. Now both of them are set correctly. So now it's when it gets skill, it's just getting the UI's get skill instead of the skills get skill. It was like maybe the skill shouldn't, maybe the UI skill shouldn't have a skill type, but then it's That's the only way we'd be able to... There we go, okay. So now it actually removes it. Yeah, okay, so now there's 4 because I had 1 originally. Oh, I forgot to level up. I don't think I even had enough good skills to do that because I didn't have health and damage and speed. There we go. What in the heck? What happened to you? What in the world do you think are even doing, Fallout? I ain't watched the Mackle Boys. I ain't... Okay, there we go. What happened to the start skill? What? Oh, wait. I just set the skill type. If randomized skill. But it's not a... What? It's not a UI skill, though. Why in the heck would that have any effect on anything? Okay, so Game Manager is going to have a start skill. Spawning the start skill. So create the skill. Set start skill. But that doesn't actually set this skills, huh? The skill type. So the skill type. Oops. Skill type is skill type dot start. There we go. So now you're not gonna be a weird. Doesn't that change the so setting the type only changes the color and the icon, but not the actual shape? How to change the shape too? Weird. Did I lean back? 'Cause I thought I was trying to lean forward so that the... You did it again, you dumb! Okay, nope. I'm gonna go take a pee break and come back. Wah, I don't wanna. Why are you being such a weird? So it sets the start skill. And spawn rest of the skills on the grid. But when it spawns the start skill has decided that it's, for some reason, now an entirely different skill. What? What? Why did you decide that you were now suddenly that? What? This should not be part of the thing, right? Game manager, when it... spawning the start skill. The heckums! Why are you... what? It's if randomized skill. No, but this is a UI skill. This shouldn't be related to anything that I'm doing with the start skill. The start skill does not have a UI portion to it. It's not a... it's a... what in the heck? How is it... what? Skills.add? Why is it adding the start skill? Probably for connection issues. Meaning I don't think anything can connect to the start skill now, but I guess we'll see what happens if I do this. The heck are you doing, start skill? Why did you break like this? Okay, this stuff. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yeah, okay, down here, this debug, it is correctly removing it and repositioning it. So that can go away. Spawn skill is only being used by UI skill, so that shouldn't be affecting anything. What? Okay, so that didn't seem to matter either. It's like, what? So when a skill gets spawned? That's the skill type. That's specifically setting it to... it's UI skill set. Skill type. Okay, but where in the heck is this UI skill coming from? What? Huh? This should not be attached to this start skill, though. It's a spawn skill. Okay, so you roll no skills. Do you still try to set yourself to something weird, or what in the world is going on now? How did I goof up this start skill like this? What? What do you mean? You dumb? How did you decide that you were now something suddenly different? You don't have a UI skill. There is no UI skill thing anywhere near any of this, right? Because that's the line that I added that seems to have decided that you want to be something different. So it's like, what in the heck? Huh? Skill. You're just a flippin' skill. Yeah, it's the only thing there. It is the start skill, so that's why it's everything could be connected to it. But why in the heck are you doing this? It knows it's the start skill, so where in the heck is the skill type? Well, because it's not adding the flippin' thing there. What in the heck? I changed something else entirely, and now you decided that this is gonna be... That's those things. Yes, a skill type. Skill type. Start skill. Okay, let's just manually go in here and say skill type dot start. Okay, icon sprite can be whatever the heck it wants to be because it's going to be white on white anyway. For now. Okay, and this is color.white. Okay, how about now? Are you gonna be a bitch bastard still? You are gonna be a bitch bastard still. What in the heck? What? Where did you fucking decide that, oh, we're gonna fuck this up? What do you fucking mean, you fucking dumb fucking piece of fucking goddamn fucking shit? Okay, so then it doesn't matter then. No. Okay, right here. Start skill. It is a start skill, right? That's what it fucking... That's why it isn't fucking doing the other fucking things, right? Which is the shape, the background, and the color. Why is it not setting the color? Actually, I can set that sprite to... to just nothing. The start skill does not need that. Yeah, okay, and that's why I didn't need this here, is because start skill, it just skips over it. So why, who in the heck is setting this to try to overwrite this? Sure seems like it knows that it's a start skill, because it's keeping the flippin'... I wasn't messing with skill, I was messing with UI skill. I don't know how that transferred over. Okay, now are you gonna... just chill. That's fucking red! That's fucking raw! When the hell? Why did you decide that you're gonna do this dumb stuff now? Yeah, okay, this background color. I guess both of that's... So I guess it can go there. The one thing that's common across both of them is this background color. Well, and we'll see if there's more. Why have you decided that you're now gonna suddenly do this? I don't understand what caused this. Yeah, this text I made is kind of not good, but... It might take me a bit to redo this font. There we go, you dumb bitch bastard. Okay, so now let's see if everything is suddenly a start skill. Or something. No, it's UI skills. Oh, fuck. I don't remember what this other num skills was. Okay, and then at some point, I do want to add, like, a tutorial, like, right next to start. There should be... Interesting. So now if I lean back... Okay. There we go, you dumb bitch bastard. What? Now why? I'm sorry I called you a dumb bitch bastard. I need more help than that, but... What? What? Why are you doing this? Hopefully you can get past wave 10 now. I need to figure out what the bug is with the health bar there too. Being all weird and jank. They're not moving around correctly, you dumb. What? And now you're collapsing on... I thought I had... I thought it required more damage than that. I didn't mess with the enemies' stats, though. Okay. Oh, it's this. So that's right. That's not. That's done goofed. That's right. That's right. Right? Where do I get all these skill points from? So then if I do that, that's right. If I do in the middle, that's done goofed. If I do that, that's done goofed. Oh, it's based on the skill type, isn't it? Which I knew was going to come back and bite me in the butt. They're supposed to be connected to each other. Not just through the skill type, but through an actual fudge face. Probably not too bad of a stopping point. This is not screenshots or anything. That's what I was trying to focus on, was making pretty screenshots. I mean, this is important for the screenshot, though, but... Oh, that was the thing. So if I get rid of... Yeah, so for maximum confusion, if I get rid of the part where it removes itself when it's on pointer enter. No, on... There we go, on pointer down, if it does not ever set itself inactive. And then here, if I... Let's spawn the rest of the skills on the grid. And then roll skills is add skills to bench, this many. I guess I'm realizing now that I won't have skill points, but I guess I could just make that a really big number too. And then so for add skills to bench, that's where it's just adding the skills. That's start. If randomized skill, which I believe it is just automatically doing. Oh, wait, so does that reposition the skill if it doesn't get removed? Or not? Because then I can kind of paint, right? Yeah, there we go. It does try to reposition it, though. Don't reposition the bench skills. Oh, it's... whatever. I can get one or the other. And then that's 2 different things that I can post on social media for the first time in ages. Just wanted to try using my Vtuber for something, too. I actually make YouTube content. Yeah, there we go. So now, if I can just make them all the... Is it 5? 6? What are the stats? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So then it's just each of the skill thingamabobs. Yeah, this is all awkward as effing heck. Yes, let's add skills to bench. Well, and then it there should be a set the skill type, right? That I'm not using that I added. Aha! There is a set the skill type that I'm not using that I added. Okay, so now clone info dot set the skill type to skill type. Then the issue being I can't just loop through these. Skill type add I. That's not a thing I could do, right? That's something I would love to do. Ah, whatever. Okay, so then well, okay, so I can add that just as a for funsies kind of thing. So then it's a switch of I, and then the case being the 0. And then set the skill type to whatever the first one is. Sure, damage. And then just set the rest of them. The dangers of copy pasting. I will, in fact, never learn. I really hope to scare somebody with that one day. Just minding their own business, and then I explode in the background. Wait, there was 5 stats. Damage, attack speed, projectile speed, range. And not start. Max health. There we go. Actually, for this one weird case, I do think I want... Why didn't it come with the break? It auto-typed it for me. It didn't give me this. So why not? Okay, because I think I'm gonna need some more colors. kind of do want this as a mode as well, is that if you want to just paint with the different skills, that's a thing you can do. And I have to actually figure out a way to make it actually fit with the game, but you didn't. You were supposed to roll each of them. Is there a get and set on randomized skill? No. So how is it setting whether it randomizes or not? It just automatically randomizes? Oh, for UI skill, there is no reason that it would not want to randomize, right? Well, I guess I could just go into here and then unrandomize it. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so there's the 5, of which I want 6 of them actually. More when I add more of the whatchamacallem color palette. There we go. So now, if I wanted to go look at my pixel art here of my old gnome, how hard is it to... Is that not how you... How do I look at the top of this thing? You goof. So that's the question, is can I start doing something like this? It's gonna be a little tedious, but... I don't think I have all the colors, though. Oh, I definitely don't have the skill points. So I would need to up the skill points. Okay, but let's just play around with how much of this can I make before I need more colors or whatnot. I need black. I need black for the eyes and the belt and stuff. That's gonna be necessary. Okay, let's make sure I have all the colors for the color palette, and then I need to make sure the skills are set right too. It doesn't seem like a large sprite, and then trying to do this pixel by pixel makes it seem so much bigger. But I think this will be a fun screenshot to have this. Okay, but the colors that I will definitely, or the colors I would still need are, so I got red, I got white. I need some kind of skin tone, which I was thinking of just using the yellow. Because then the brown for the boots and pants, maybe? Boots and pants and boots and pants. Okay, so if I use this yellow as the skin tone, and then I use this orange, that's the green for the shirt. Okay, where's that thing that I made? Because that'll give me a good... Okay, yeah, I used orange for the pants. So I just need a black, really. So that's the hat, that's the skin tone. Oh, I had a brown. I had a brown and an orange. So that's the pants. That's the whites for the eyes and the beard. So I need a black and a brown. And the color palette has colors. I just need to come up with a skill to attach to those. What all icons do I have? So I definitely did a random like sets of icons and colors and stuff. So this does not have the color palette? So I guess this has the color palette. This is the color palette. Ah, which I can do a tan. Oh, I could do a tan for the... So I could do a tan for the skin color. And then I could do the... I guess yellow for the pants color? And that's a dark color there. I don't have to be beholden to this color palette either, but just seemed like a fun challenge. Okay, and then the icons. There's 12 of them. Of which I'm only using a few. So I need to add 2 more thingamabobs. Okay, wait, that's skill. Yeah, okay, so start, max health, damage, attack speed, projectile, range, and then I need 2 more to throw in there. And then the icons to go with them. So what icons did I have? That's the question. Icons. Oh, because I've rounded these out. I don't know that they actually need to be rounded. It looks kind of awkward. Because that one's not rounded. Oh, it's because this is rounded. But they're just such large pieces. It's just when you round out the ends, and this is only ends, it looks odd. Okay, so this must be the icons then. Of which I am using some. So I could do a defense skill because I have a shield. I could do a... Oh, that was attack speed. Okay, what are the ones that I'm using that I can think of off the top of my head I am using? That's attack speed. I lied. That's attack speed. That one's damage. That's health. That's range, and that's... Yeah, okay, so it's that, and that. So there's the boot, there's the shield. Oh, move speed is one that I actually meant to have at some point anyway. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see how I want to do stats. I'm not entirely sure. Okay, so move speed and using the boot. And then I could pick one of those 2 colors that I need to add. Kind of want to do the skull and just do like a depth. Yeah, that's just a temporary thing anyway, so... Ooh, I could do a poison with a green instead. Actually, that's a better idea. Because I have a green and I have... Oh, no. The whole point was to add the black and the other color. The 2 colors I needed. A brown and a black. So the brown could be the move speed and the black can be the skull. Yeah, okay. Okay, but I could still call it poison instead of death. It's not death blight. It's gonna be poison. Okay, so now poison. And then I gotta figure out what the fluff and colors are. Ah. Pain in the butt. Okay, so you have the fluff and colors, which are this. So 0.0. This and whatever this last one is. And then the other color. And then I need to figure out the icons. Ah, that's tan. So now I have this move speed thing and a poison thing, and then here. We can add those as those things and see if they pop up or not. Yeah, I know it's late, but I don't want to go to bed because that admits defeat. It admits the day is over, and then I gotta go do another day. I don't wanna. I never want to. That's not how I want to live my life, but if I don't, then I don't live, because I gotta go have a job so I can have health care, because America sucks. Okay. I'm getting a good sniff on my mic here. There we go. There's one last thing I need to do, and I'm trying to think of what it is. I believe it's here. I need to bump this up to 8. I didn't have like a white. Because this technically isn't like a black either, but it's a... Dang it. No, okay, that's the actual using of the numbers, which I don't want to do. I just need the visibility of it. So is it here then? You don't have that. Okay. Oh, I never changed the icons. Kinda knew I was gonna forget that. Okay, so this is 1 and 0. Okay, easy to figure out, easy to remember. 1 and 0. I think I'm goofing something up, but if I could do get skill that get colors, and then when I do this, so I should not have to do this again, right? It shouldn't be skill that get icons, it should be to get the icon of the skill and get the color of the skill, and then none of this matters anyway. Although the colors wise, that list of colors, it is not purple, it is 4 and 9. Aren't I within here? Shouldn't it be the color list? If I can get the colors, then isn't there the colors? Shouldn't it be color? Whatever that color is? Is it 2 or 3? That's 3, right? That's 2 blue. Okay, right? Yeah. So why in the heck was I typing anything out? Like a dumb. Holy heckums. Yeah, it's just like, what in the heck was I doing? Okay, damage is 7. Attack speed is the yellow, so 5. Next one, projectile speed is orange, the 6. Range was the blue, which is... I want to say it's 0, not the other one. Don't know. I think I need to change out this color palette at some point anyway. Now, move speed is the tan, which is 4. Yes, I didn't need to move the numbers over. It's just... And then this is the last one, which is 9. There. Okay, and then I need to probably add a butt ton of skill points. 1 metric butt ton. Let's just add 999, because that's a number. That looks like a maximum. Not that it's going to be a maximum at all anyway. Oh, and then it's going to add a certain number anyway, right? It's going to add to whatever the initial is. Hopefully. Not overwrite it. Hopefully. Yes. Okay. Wait, if I do... Uh-oh. You're not what I thought you were. Okay, the rest of y'all... You got the right idea. But the icons are off. The UI skill icon. So the skill icon 0. The UI skill icon 0. And then the start is becoming something else. Yeah, this might be easier to just make a smiley face. Because my gnome is rather big when you are doing this piece by piece. Yeah, because then I know for a fact that so if I do something like this and that, and then this and that, and then yeah, there's no way to remove them, is there? Yeah, they can't overwrite them either. Oh, I could scoop them up accidentally. Yeah, I still haven't figured out what that is or does or means. Okay, I kind of put the smiley face a little too far away from this because I want it to be connected. Okay, but this I'm not doing within here anyway. So now what I want is the build settings to be build. And then actually not to date. This is going to be an entirely different. Yeah, okay, this is going to be again, marketing again. And then there's going to be full builds or whatnot. And then all of these. All of these. Okay, now do the. So this is just going to be a pixel ward. I'll move it around later, and by the later, I mean maybe in the future, someday. We'll see. This is an opportunity to be saying something, not just watching a loading bar, but at the point of the night where I just want to be done. I don't want to continue to do. Okay, the build. The reveal. We shall see. I need to update that too. Yeah, okay, so it wasn't across the whole screen. Oh, the... new scene here. Add open scenes. It's just sitting right there. These are going to specific scenes though, right? So do this. Yeah, because I don't need it to go to that other scene anyway. There we go. Okay, and then I want... So I want to do like this, like this. And then like this, like this. Alright, one further, right? Okay, I don't need it that far away. I could add that as a nose. No, I kind of want just a basic smiley face. I mean, is this even gonna work? In terms of, Yeah, no, that works as a smiley face. Okay, and then I think I want to just start recording some of that. It's hard to tell that that's supposed to be a smiley face, but it's not supposed to be perfect pixel art anyway. This is not a pixel art tool. This is just the idea that you can make a picture within the tool. Or within the game. There's enough freedom that you can make a picture. Okay. So that is the video recorded, right? So I can actually post something tomorrow for the first time in forever. Yeah, okay, it's easier to see when it's not full of all the points and connections and stuff. Okay, that is need to be trimmed down a little bit, I believe, because there's the little bit at the beginning. Yeah, there's that little bit right there. That can be trimmed. And then that ending bit can be trimmed. Okay, there we go. So then I have something to post tomorrow. Then I am gonna call it good. I'm gonna call it done. Goodbye, good night. Thanks for stopping by. Good night, good luck. Bye.